In this video, you will learn how to make any card vanish, and how to make any ring vanish. How cool is that? Welcome back to another video. I'm Magic Cardman. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to magically make any ring disappear. But first, I gotta find my ring. You will need tape on your hand, just like right here, right there. When you make the ring vanish, we want to cover it just like this. And then once it's covered, you move the ring back onto your tape. And then you reveal, oh, it's vanished! Where'd it go? It's definitely not right here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can take any card and magically make it vanish. Just like that. How cool is that? So, what you need is 2 cards, 1 blank card, and then 1 regular card. Put them back to back, just like this. So, one side's blank, one side is any card that you want to make vanish and disappear. And you want to do the shape change. So, hold it just like this, and take your pointer finger and turn the card around. And then, as you shake it, you want to turn the cards around, just like that. And then with a little bit more practice, you can shake it just like that. If you want to take your magic to the next level, then with more practice, you can do it, well, not like that. With a little bit more practice, you can do it just like that. With just, boom, 1 shake. How cool is that? If you made it this far in the video, comment boom. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next video.